Hey guys, so in today's video I want to tell you about something called Elegant Writers. Now these are the ones I have. This came in a pack of 4 and I've had these for quite some time and I haven't used them as much as I would like to. But you can also get colored ones. I haven't used those. I'm not sure exactly how they work or if they're exactly the same as this. But I'm just going to show you a couple things and then we're going to go from there. This was one thing that I really did want to include in the watercolor giveaway playlist because it's just such a cool thing. And some of you may have already heard about it. This isn't a new thing. A lot of people are aware of this. So these ones, so there's 2 points, so there's 2 markers that are 2.0 millimeters, and then there's a 2.5, which I think is kind of dried out a little bit, as you can see. And these are like a flat kind of tip, like a calligraphy type tip. And this is a 3. Oh, this one is dried out. Okay. But you'll get the idea. I mentioned the watercolor giveaway playlist. You can click on that link right there. This giveaway is almost done. In order to enter the giveaway, you have to watch all the videos in this specific giveaway playlist. Leave a thumbs up or thumbs down, leave a comment on each video, and you have to be subscribed to me. And I would click that little notification bell because there will be still some more videos that I'm going to be adding to the playlist and to any of my playlists that I have giveaways for whenever I have giveaways, which is, I always have giveaways going on. And you will want to know when you have them, when I have new videos, because you need to watch them in order to be entered for the giveaway. But you can find out all the information on this video right here. So what I wanted you to notice was that these are water soluble, and the black pigment is made up of different pigments. So if we look in here, there's going to be some pink that starts coming up. And as we let this kind of sit, and we can even drop some down here. Look at that awesome pink that's starting to come through. Isn't that so cool? Now this is a new thing, I think, because it's old. So this blue is like green, and then, which I guess you could use. That would be kind of cool. So I just wanted to show you that, and now we're going to kind of paint, like, look at that. Isn't that awesome? Yeah, it's really cool. We're going to use it kind of with another product today. And we're just going to draw, I don't know, like some grasses and some different stuff. So first we're going to start, I'm just going to show you how easy it is to kind of just create something. So let's say we're going here, and so this could be weeds, it could be lavender, you know, whatever. Let's go over here. And we can kind of do some grasses. And you can see how I'm really just being really free, not precise at all with this. You can put some taller grasses up there. Oh, maybe some darker ones there. And we can just maybe make this a little bit darker in here. Okay, so I am just going to take my number 8 here. I'll take my Mimic brush, and I'm going to, we could actually, you know what, I'm going to do that. Since this 3 is doing these weird things, I'm going to use that to my advantage. So this is ground. All right, so now I'm just going to get it wet and just brush it off a little bit. So there's still a decent amount of water in there. And I'm just going to activate that. And it doesn't hurt to still just kind of keep this dancing movement going, because you don't want like a perfect stripe. You want it to be, you know, some little buds sticking out, or, you know, if it's grass or weeds, and you can go a little bit further than that if you want. And then let's just really easy. Don't try to be too specific with it. I'm just going to soften this so that there's little buds kind of sticking out here. And we can even do some other, because, you know, we're picking up color from other places now. Let's see what we've got down here. See if we can get some of that brown activated. Okay, let's do some wispies. I'm not using a liner brush, but if I was, it would look like this. We've got some green in there. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to kind of, this is kind of opposite of how you would normally do like a silhouette, and this isn't really a silhouette but type look, but you know, you'll be able to see how you could make it work. And as I'm doing that, you can start seeing some of this pink come through. Look at that pink. Oh, I love it when the bright ones come through. And I'm actually taking Jane Davenport's Aqua Pastel here. This is Monet. And I do have a video where I have compared my aqua, like, my water soluble crayons. I was saying I had aqua in my head and I could not get it out because these are called aqua pastels. I'm thinking aqua crayons. No, that's not right. Aqua pastels. No, that's not right. Finally got it figured out. I'm gonna, actually let's take a little bit, so I have, this is another one that I've kind of compared in the video. And I've swatched them out, and so that is also going to be in this playlist. And I've got this pink here. And I also have my Caran d'Ache Neocolor Wax Pastels that will be in that video. So definitely check that out. So I guess I'm kind of doing sunset colors here. I guess that's what I'm doing. It appears so. All right, so I'm going to take my flat because it's going to hopefully move these crayon marks around, because I don't want it to look like crayon marks. We'll see if we can actually keep that from happening. And it's just easier to do with a flat brush. So you can see some of those crayon marks. I want to kind of activate it enough. And I don't mind activating some of this around there, because I want it to all kind of mix together. I'm happy about that. And if it ever gets a little bit too much into the color, into the yellow or pink, then I can just rinse off my brush. But the whole point of this is to just really make it look like, you know, dusky, and just blend together. And I mean, really it's kind of an abstract type thing here. You could spray this and see what happens. You could get some really cool effects that way. So you can see here's what I'm talking about with these crayon marks. So I don't love those, but you know, maybe they're not too bad. Okay, so now I'm just going to go in here and just kind of activate this a little bit so it's all blending together. Let's go into this white here. And go down into here. I think I'm going to go in with this. Now you want to do this really lightly, because when you color on wet surfaces with a watercolor pencil or a watercolor crayon, those lines are even harder to move. So I'll just show you that here. You can see See, they don't really move. So try to get as much color as you can down in the first wash. But of course, you could always take some watercolor paints and then you won't have that. So I could take, let's take my new gamboge here. I think this is my new gamboge. We could really go in there, just brighten some of that up. I could take some orange. This is my Orange Yellow by Derwent, and warm that up even more. These watercolors have not been sprayed, so they're still need to be activated here a little bit. So there's lots of different things I've seen of different flowers, and I've seen like snow scenes actually would be really cool with this. And then we could even add some of this green just to kind of a glaze over top of that. Would be nice. I also like the look of like adding in lots of water and then letting it drip, and that gives it even more of a abstract look. You know, you could, it's totally personal taste, obviously. You might hate the look of that. But that can be a really cool way to do things. And so it's pinks and purple, pinks, purples, blues, kind of turquoise. So you could keep going with that same color theme and use that in the background. I use this because it's contrasting and it just kind of shows like maybe some sunlight coming through there, maybe like a late evening type thing. And if you wanted to, you could wait for this all to dry and then you could go over it again with some more if you needed to add some more in there. But it's just a really cool like pen, washed out pen look. And it's, you know, these are quite affordable. You can get these at Michael's. That's where I got mine. You can get them at lots of different places. I believe they have them at Staples too. So I'm going to have to go get some more, and I'll have to do a video sometime on the colored ones. I want to see how those work out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. For those of you who are waiting for the giveaway to end, it is going to be ending soon. I just have to get these videos edited and up, and my internet's been so slow down here. But yeah, just get caught up in watching those videos because the draw is for sure going to be next week. And I will see you on the next video.